Hello and welcome back. This time we will implement multiple levels and transitions between them. Let's get going. Let's start by creating a door where we can go to the next level. So again, let's insert a new object, choose a sprite, let's call it spr_door, and then let's draw it. Okay, now that we have our huge door, let's shrink it a little bit. Oh, and let's change the origin point to be bottom. So now we have a door, and next we need to add a new level where we can transit from here, and you can do it in two ways. You can go here to layouts and add a layout, and here we would want to add layout only because we don't need a new event sheet for it. Press here, but it will give you a empty layout. But the other thing you can do is to duplicate the layout 1 to be the layout 2, and if we go there, here we can see that we have the same level as the layout 1. So let's make a few modifications here so we can be sure that we are in the different level. Maybe let's put a small platform here and the door over there. Okay, now we have two layouts, and one thing we want to make to be sure that if we have multiple levels, that the UI layer that we use over here is checked to be a global. Currently it's not global, but if we put it yes, then if we go to the same layout, the second layout, and well, let's delete the UI layer. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes, I am. And if we now create a new layer and we call it the same name as the global layer, which was UI, press enter, you can see that the coin counter appeared on top left corner here. So that is the meaning of the global layer. Here you can see that we can't add it here to be a global because here it's overridden this layer in the layout 1. This layout, which is marked to be a global. And now let's jump to the event sheet and make a new event where if our player is on collision with the door, so we choose the player on collision with the door, press done. Then for the action, we just go to the next level. And here if we choose the system and choose from the layout section, go to next/previous layout. We take that, and of course we choose the next one and press done. And now that we use the go to next layout, you have to be sure that if you want to go from layout 1 to layout 2, that the layout 2 is under the layout 1 here in the project window. Because if we would put it like this, that layout 2 is on top of it, and we would play the layout 1 level, then the door, oh, wait a minute. Why isn't the door over there? Oh, that is something I talked about in the last episode. We forgot to put it on the game layer. So here we can change it back to the game layer. And now let's test it again. Here, nothing happens when we hit the door. But if we throw the layout 2 to be under the layout 1 and play again, now we go to the second level. Like so. Yeah. And with this, we should have a working level transition. And now you should have all needed information to create a platformer game. And the thing left to do for you is to make this game to a proper one. Good luck with your platformer adventures.